severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Riley County in northeastern Kansas, northwestern Waubonsee County, southeastern Pottawatomie County in northeastern Kansas, until 6 p.m. At 5:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Louisville, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Wamego, St. George, Bellevue, Emmett, and Louisville. This includes Interstate 70 between mile markers 317 and 325. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for northeastern and east central Kansas. The severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Pottawatomie,